27%. I didn't mark it wrong or right. I just marked it complete. 27%. Part B, 73%.
Okay, I'm good. I don't know how I got that, but yeah.
Everybody always picks 61. Because the question is, I think my husband does at least his fair share.
You gotta add fair share and.
Yes, got to add fair share and more than his fair share. A is 27, B is 73. No, I just wanted to point it out to you. Okay, let's take a look at yesterday's assignment. Yep.
This is gonna take us like half an hour to get through.
Yeah.
Yeah, I skipped some too, and then I didn't finish it. I was supposed to remember that back in the week, I was tell us the script.
Okay, let's start at the beginning. What questions do we have? Hunter Howe.
Yeah.
Top of page 3, right.
We put yes and no.
Yes or no's were correct answers.
Okay.
Okay, we're good.
Yeah,
I didn't know if it was right if we had to like 3
It was easy, just very time consuming.
Yeah, that's what
Very time consuming.
On page 1? This one? Okay, let's take a look at number 8. Shh, gentlemen.
Sorry.
The wheel is spun twice. Write the sample space of all the possible ordered pairs. So this is kind of like the dice where I can get a 0, and then I can get a 1. I can get a 0 to 2. I can get a 0 to 3. I can get a 0 to 4.
Okay, so like 25.
Oh, I forgot 0, 0.
You guys buy all that?
Yeah.
It was like 25.
Yeah, it should be 25 things. And then going down, you get a 1 and a 0, a 1 and a 1, etc. And then you get a 2 and a 0.
You got a 1 and a 2.
Yeah. I'm just not going to do the whole thing.
You're not right.
Like, you can do it. So there are 25 total options. 5 across, 5 down. 4 and a 0, 4 and a 1, 4 and a 2, 4 and a 3, 4 and a 4. So I didn't do the whole table.
Yep.
I'll just do the whole table. 32, 23, 24. 30, 32, 33, 34. There's the whole table. So then the probability of getting an odd number on the first spin and an even number on the second spin. Odd and even. So it's nice once you have the table, you can just start doodling on it. Odd and even. So there's 6 of them. I'm doing it with the mouse. So can you.
Oh.
Yeah, you do. You have a touchpad. It works too.
Now if you want to write, right.
I got it now. I was just gonna
It's
guess it.
difficult.
Is that
Okay.
6 or 4?
That's a 6.
Oh, yeah, never mind.
It's a weird 6.
But she was using a mouse.
Is that mouse guy, not that?
I can do it with the mouse.
Yeah, I get it.
Or you could just buy a new stylus.
Because
Because you're going to have to pay for it either way.
Buy one anyway.
Oh.
I want to buy it.
So you've been saying for like 6 months.
Facts.
You think John's got a clean room? All right.
That's what I'm saying, it's experience.
A sum greater than 4.
20.
There's 20 of them. Anybody disagree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope. I'm counting wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 10.
What the heck?
Don't count the 4s in there. It says greater than 4.
Actually, no, you did this actually. Holy crap.
Okay. Even numbers on both spins. 2, 3,
I got 9.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Well, I can't change it.
A subnet is odd. So you're going to add them together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The same number on both spins.
Common sense. 5 numbers, you got double.
Okay. So that's number 8. Number 9.
Yeah, break through number 9.
Okay.
Oh, that's easy. I don't know how to rewrite
Okay. Okay. So we have a probability table. All the possibilities are listed. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 or more. So this should add up to 1. Should add up to 100%. So when they did 5 or more items, they added up the 8, the 7, and the 7. 5 or more. Fewer than 4. So X is less than 4. So we're adding up these ones. Fewer than 4. That means you only got 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, somebody add that up.
0.57.
Okay.
Where's the lesson sign?
Above the period, comma, no, comma. Okay, when we do more than 3, so that means X is greater than 3.
Is that 0.57 or is that what?
Yep.
it is?
That means we're adding up all of these.
0.43.
Now, you should notice that that's exactly opposite of what we just did. So those two add up to 100%. 0.43. 3 or fewer. So that means 3 is included, so its X is 3 or fewer. Less than or equal to 3. Which is the same as part B. Just different wording. Okay, any other questions?
So this guy,
Yes.
on page whatever this is, 3, I think it is. Number 2, I got the 3-way table.
This one?
Yeah, I got the 3-way table, but now I don't know.
You mean the two-way table?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do number 2 on page 3. Two-way table. What does the D stand for?
3.
What does the D stand for? Democrats. What does D to the C stand for? Not Democrats or Republicans. What does F stand for? Females. What does F to the C stand for? Not females. So we're talking males. Remember, to the C power means complement. Okay, there are 6 Democrats total. 3 of them are female. There are 8 Republicans, 2 of whom are females. So based on that information, we can fill in the rest of the table. 5 females total, 3 male Democrats, 6 male Republicans, 9 males total. Total number of politicians, 14. All right, so table's important. Once you have that, then you can start answering the questions. Now, this symbol here, do you remember what it means? And, because it looks like an A. So we're doing the probability of female and Democrat at the same time. So how many people are females and Democrats at the same time? 3 of them. The other one is not an A, so it's an OR. So we're looking for male or Democrat, or not female or Democrat. So let me change the colors. We got those who are males and then those who are Democrats. So you're a winner if you pick any of those 3 positions, male or Democrat. So that is 12 people. Because we don't want to double count the ones that are male and Democrat. All right, and then the last one is the probability of not Democrat and not female. So that would be the intersection right here of the DC and FC spots. That is 6. There are 6 people who are not Democrats and not females. Okay, next one. Right here? Absolutely. Okay, number 3. 200 nurses, 75% are male, female, 50%. Make a 2-way table. Okay. All right, so 1 category across the top and 1 category across the bottom. So I'm going to do females on the top, but you didn't have to. So that means the other part of that would be not females or male if we're not going to get all weird about gender identity today. Across the bottom, the side, we are under 35, which means the other category is over 35. All right, so those the 2 things next to each other are always complements. Okay, 75% of the nurses are female. 55% of the nurses are under 35. 5% of the nurses are male and 35 or older. So that means that 5% goes there. Oh, I shouldn't have been using those. Sorry, we're going to have to change that. I forgot the total was 200. 5% of 200. There's 10. Change that 5% to 10. 55% of 200. It's 110. I'm like, we don't have enough information to finish this. 75% of 200 is 150. That's better. So then what goes right here? Right here.
50.
50, because it's got to add up to 200. Okay, what goes here?
90.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna be 110 minus 60. I mean, actually, I bet I can do it.
No.
I tried it out for the.
That's got to be 40. This one's got to be 80, which means this one's going to be 70. Okay, so probability of choosing a female that and under 35, so it's happening at the same time.
70 out of 200.
70 out of 200. Probability that you choose a male that is 35 or older. So it's male and 35 or older.
And 200.
Yep. And then we have male or 35. So we've got all the boys and all the people who are under 35. Almost circled the wrong one. So that is 120. 70 plus 40 plus 10. Any others? All right, would anybody be in class be willing to take Carson, Ariana, and Brody to the meeting?
Carry them on the computer.
I'll take it.
Okay, Rance is gonna take them, so go ahead and.
Did you say you would do it?
No, but you said it, so you can take it.
I didn't hear you say
No,
it.
it's fine.
She volunteered because nobody else volunteered.
All right.
All right, so you can sign into the meet, and then you can just take them with you.
All right.
Yeah, I only volunteered because I felt bad.
I know. All right, so you guys stick around. Rance is gonna take you to the meet about the senior trip.
So we get at least.
So can we leave early?
Yeah.
We can have a free time while they're gone. You can't leave early.